गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुर्मूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुर्पदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम गं गणपते नमः। ओम गणेशाय नमः। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो नारायणाय। ओम गुरुवे नमः। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानंदाय। ओम नमो भगवते सत्यानंदाय। ओम दुर्गा दुर्गातिशमने दुर्गा पद्मनिवारिणे दुर्गम छेदिने दुर्गसाधिने दुर्गनाशिने दुर्गदोद्वारिणे दुर्गनिहंत्री दुर्गमापः दुर्गम ज्ञानदा दुर्गरोतमारा दुर्गमा दुर्गमालोका दुर्गमाता स्वरूपिणी दुर्गमार्गपदा दुर्गम विद्या दुर्गमाश्रिता दुर्गम ज्ञान संस्थाना दुर्गम ध्यानवासिनी दुर्गमोहा दुर्गमका दुर्गमाता स्वरूपिणी दुर्गमा सरसमंत्री दुर्गमायधारिणी दुर्गमांगी दुर्गमता दुर्गम्या दुर्गधारिणी दुर्गभीमा दुर्गर्भा दुर्गधारिणी। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नमो दैवे महादेवे शिवाय सतम नमः। नम प्रकृति भद्राय नीताय प्रणतां सां रौद्राय नवनीताय गोत्रहात्रे नमो नमः। ज्योत्स्नाय विन्द्रप्रिये सुखाय सतम नमः। कल्याणाय प्रणतां बुद्ध सिद्धकुर्मे नमो नमः। निरुक्तेवतां लक्ष्ये सर्वाय ते नमः। दुर्गाय दुर्गपाराय साराय सर्वकाराय ख्याते तथैव कृष्णाय धूम्राय सतम नमः। अतिसौम्यातिरुद्राय नस्तातस्यै नमो नमः। नमो जगत्प्रतिष्ठाय दुर्गते नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विष्णुमायति शब्दिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु चैतन्यतया विधीयते नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु निद्रारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी शोभयितो शुदारूपेण संस्थिता छायारूपेण स्थिता शक्तिरूपेण स्थिता तृष्णारूपेण स्थिता शांतिरूपेण स्थिता जातिरूपेण स्थिता लज्जारूपेण स्थिता शांतिरूपेण श्रद्धारूपेण स्थिता क्रांतिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण स्थिता वृत्तिरूपेण स्थिता पुत्रीरूपेण स्थिता दयारूपेण सतोषरूपेण मातृरूपेण स्थिता भ्रांतिरूपेण स्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। इन्द्रियाणाम् अधिष्ठात्री भूतानां चाकुलस्य भूतेषु तत्सं तस्य वासुदेवे नमः। चित्तरूपेण आकृष्यति वाचकर नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। ओम शांति। Kindly close your eyes. Por favor, cierren los ojos. Mantenga el cuerpo quieto y tranquilo. Siente quieto, tranquilo, calmado. Hoy es el último día de Navratri, una celebración Dasara. Dasara que es Vijaya Lakshmi. 14 años Rama está en exilio. Cuando regresa a Ayodhya fue celebración grande, se llama Dasara, celebración Vijayadashmi, Dasara. Es celebración de alegría, de la paz, de la felicidad. Pensamos de Madre Cósmica, Madre Divina, que manifiesta Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Kali, diferentes formas. Pensamos de Madre Cósmica, que está con nosotros, que proteja, que cuida. जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती जय 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 अम्बे भवानी माँ जय जम्बे भवानी माँ जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती जय 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 अम्बे भवानी माँ, जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती, जय दुर्गा लक्ष्मी सरस्वती. Feel the presence of the Almighty Divine Mother within you. The Mother, she appeared Mahalakshmi, Mahadurga, Mahakali, Mahasaraswati. She is the giver of life, giver of joy, giver of happiness. And our mother also to give this body. We pray for her. Just 5 minutes, think about Cosmic Mother and feel her Shakti, feel energy. Experience, feel presence of the Divine Mother. Om Samno Mitrasam Samno Varunaha Samno Bhavatvarima Samnendro Brahaspatihi Samno Vishnu Rukramaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vayo Tumeva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tumeva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishami Ritam Vadishami Satyam Vadishami Tanma Votu Tadvaktaramautu Autu Mam Autu Bhaktaram. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Samno Mitrasam Samno Varunaha Samno Bhavatvarima Samnendro Brahaspati Samno Vishnu Rukramaha Namo Brahmane Namaste Vaya Tumeva Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tumeva Pratyaksham Brahma Vadishami Ritam Vadishami Satyam Vadishami Tanma Hotu Tadvaktaramautu Autu Mam Autu Bhaktaram. Om Shanti Shanti. प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. पाप कटे दुख मिटे, पाप कटे दुख मिटे लेके राम नाम. भव समुद्र सुखद नाव एक राम नाम. कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. परम शांति सुख निदान, परम शांति सुख निदान एक राम नाम. निराधार को आधार एक राम नाम. कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. परम गुप्त परम इष्ट, परम गुप्त परम इष्ट मंत्र राम नाम. संत हृदय सदा वसत एक राम नाम. कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. महादेव सतत जपत, महादेव सतत जपत दिव्य राम नाम. महादेव सतत जप दिव्य राम नाम. काशी मरत मुक्त करत संत कहत राम राम. कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. परम गुप्त परम इष्ट, परम गुप्त परम इष्ट मंत्र राम नाम. संत हृदय सदा बसत एक राम नाम. कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. माता पिता बंधु सखा, माता पिता बंधु सखा सब ही राम नाम. भक्त जनन जीवन धन एक राम नाम. कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. प्रेम मुदित मन से कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. राम राम राम, कहो राम राम राम. हरि ओम तत्सत. हरि ओम. हरि ओम. I am very happy to see all of you. Everyone searching for peace, joy, happiness. Peace called Shanti. Shanti always there within us. You don't have to find the Shanti there. What in the life, what we do? We want pleasure, happiness, contentment, satisfaction. What is pleasure? When you fulfill your desire, you become happy. When someone says I love you, you become happy. Our happiness depends upon other person, what they say, what they think, and what you want to hear from them. That peace, that pleasure is very temporary. And when you don't fulfill what you want, you become unhappy. Sadness, nervousness, worries, preoccupation. We are the creator of that unhappiness, sadness, nervousness, worry, and preoccupation. No one is responsible when you suffer. There is individual suffering, collective suffering. Collective suffering we cannot control, but individual suffering can become pleasure, joy, and happiness. Human life is precious life. God sent us in this planet. God is Devata, Ishwar, Bhagwan, Sachidananda. Moment we born, we become happy. Our family become happy. Moment we born, with the birth, also the death born. The birth and death, they born together. But we don't know which is that moment coming. We know we born, people celebrate. But moment we born, individual person cry. 9 months, the protection was there. Now he said, I'm mother no there. God take care. The first breath you take it, the first prana you take it, and life started. When you are little baby, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, you don't have to worry anything. Everything mother, father protect you or give you. When you become bigger and bigger, you become a 10, 12, 15, then your mind become mature. You go to school, college, university, and we have learned to read and write and think. And that's the problem we started. We are the creator of situation. We said we are the creator of our destiny, situation, circumstances. Because suffering come and go. Just like a night bring the day. Pleasure being the pain. Happiness being unhappiness. This life is a precious gift of God. God has given this life. What the purpose of life? Only fulfill your desire, have a home, have a name, have a fame, have a many children, many houses, many things. More you get, more you had, more become unhappy. Because desire are endless. Wants are endless. But God give you exactly what you need. God give what you need, what is important. What is the most important thing in life? You cannot live without breathe in and out, the prana. The prana is free. The energy which inhale, you don't have to buy anywhere. Surplus. The prana shakti. The prana, apana. Inhale and exhale. The five kind of prana. Prana, apana, vyana, sudana, and uddiyana. Samana. The 5 kind of prana is maintain this car. Body is a car and living the 5 prana. And the prana is free. Generally, we take every minute 12, 13 seconds. Breath you take every minute. 13, 14, 12. Depends on individual. One who take a short breath, he become nervous and happiness, less of prana. Breathe and consciously. The prana we are taking is free, and moment you stop taking prana, we call mrityu, maran, the death. Suppose I am stopped breathing now. People, doctor come, now he cannot breathe, his heart is not working, it's finished. And they declare the name, put a stamp called birth, death. So we born with the return ticket, the death. But my dear friend, what is death? Born, we know, but death, you cannot look, you cannot hear, you cannot breathe, you cannot walk, you cannot think, you cannot do anything. Dead body you cannot hug, dead body cannot walk. And that's why I appreciate the prana, and that is Shakti is free and important thing. But we never awareness of prana. Deep breathing, relaxed breathing, the bring awareness, then my life become peaceful, joyful, happy. Get up in the morning, go to the garden or the beach and take a big, nice prana, you'll be happy. That's why Pancha Prana, 5 kind of breath. The inner which you help to take the food, mouth to the stomach. That energy help that digest the food, distribution, assimilation. We have kidney, pancreas, liver, heart, all system. Without that energy, we cannot expel the food. The food you eat from the mouth, food in the stomach, and you don't have anything. Who helps you to digest the food? Who expulsion, distribution, give the energy to the kidney, pancreas, heart. There is something is working through you to the prana. Those 5 prana is more important. One prana helps you to become unconscious. You become a completely night sleeping. When you sleep, you don't die. Sleeping, you're breathing. Who breathe for you? While sleeping, you enter in the state called dreaming state. And dreaming state, who dream whom? One person was a king. He was sleeping with his wife. He had a son. Only one son, and he will become king. So that king has a dream. His only one son died. In the dream. He died. And he started to cry. Then the queen is sitting next to him sleeping, and he says, "What happened to you?" And he wake up. And he said, "I have a dream. My son died." I said, "That was a dream." Who's in that dream? And the son also sleeping there. Dream we created, subconscious mind. Dreaming changeable state. What is saw in the dream, that is true. What we see, wake up, that is true. What we see in the daytime, that is true. What we did night, what we say, dreaming state. Truth is always permanent. This body is not permanent. This body we got is a gift. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I don't know how long. The body God has given you to do the nice work. Mouth is going to do nice talk. Listen good thing, talk good thing. Mahatma Gandhi has a 3 monkey. Not to see bad, not to listen bad, and not to talk bad. The 3 monkey of Mahatma Gandhi, very famous. Not to see good bad thing, not to listen bad thing, not to talk. Man can be happy. We are created. The God has a wonderful gift for us to realize God where is. My dear friend, God every second enter within it. So that's why realize the life is temporary. This life is not permanent. This life is transition. Now you want to go from Miami to New York. You buy the ticket with American Airlines. You have a ticket. You sit in the plane. You buy the ticket, you sit in the plane. And once you go to New York, you have to go out of plane and you have to give up the ticket which you buy. That ticket Money you get and you got the ticket. But when you destination, you have to give. This is the destiny. God sent the worldly life, you got destiny God has given. This is not permanent place for us. This body is not permanent. The physical body is not permanent. It transition. We love our mother, our father, our brother, our sister, our car, our home, our country, every love. The attachment, that is called Maya. We love that person. But they had to transition everything, nothing permanent. I'm telling experiences. I had a big family and they everyone died. Mother, father, brother, sister died. And I'm still here. They are in invisible soul, spirit. We have to learn art of living peaceful, joyful, happy contentment. What the situation come and go doesn't matter. What the suffering come doesn't matter. Suffering come and go. It's not permanent. Hurricane is come and go. Can you live 24 hours in angry? Can it your anger 24 hours? No. You can love joyful, happy contentment. You can live joyful. So purpose of life. Life without a God. Sugar without sweet. River without a water. My dear friend, life is a gift. Enjoy. Don't create this artificial super suffering. Nothing is permanent. There are three stages. One stage, we are a little baby. Another stage, you become a teenager, 15, and become an older child, middle age, and old age. Now, I'm 75 old man. If I've been to 10 years, can you become a 10 year? I cannot be 10 year. If I went to 5 years, I cannot. Body changes, you call teenager, older, and the child. 3 stages. But who is not changing? Your soul is same. Your Atma is the same. Body change. Just like this, every has 3 stages. Born, grow and die. Everything which exists, what you see, the naked eyes, they grow. I have 5 mango tree. Now I go outside, there is no mango. In December there will be flower and the mango will come. Life of mango tree, how wonderful. The mango waiting when the time will come, the flower will come and the fruits will come. But mango, don't eat mango. The life of tree, a mango to giving, serving. Don't expect anything. Man, life is expectation and selfish life. My dear friend, be selfless. Nature is selfless. You know Surya Devata? Surya Narayan is the first god we call. Chandra Devata, moon god. Megha Devata, Varun, with bring of that term. Surya, Narayana. Surya is the first god we call. Narayana, 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 Om Surya Narayana, 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 Om Chandra Narayana, 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 Om Chandra Narayana, 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 Om Surya Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sun God. The God Sun give the light to everyone. Now we are in America, West, we have sun. The same time go to the East, India, Middle East, darkness there is no sun, there is a moon. Sun. Every day, if you want to healthy, get up early in the morning, before sunrise, and do Surya Namaskar. Pray to the sun. Om Suryaya Namaha, Om Ravaya Namaha, Om Bhaskaraya Namaha, Om Adityaya Namaha. Surya has a 12 name. That's why we call Surya Namaskar. In yoga we have Surya Namaskar, 12 position of Surya Namaskar. Pray to the Surga. One who sleeping while sun come, his whole day live lethargic and imbalanced. Get up early, no, that's why we had yogis and all the practice of yoga, they get up 4 to 6 in the morning. That's called Brahmamrutta. The yogis meditate, the spiritual master, sadhu, sannyasi, they meditate, send the energy. The early morning, wake up, praying to the God, praying to the Surya Devata, life become miracle. But people sleeping up to 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, because they make a room dark and they say there is no sunrise. You close your room, you become dark, sun is there. The sun means light, vital energy. Without sun, there is no light. Whole in the morning, if you get up and sleep, I am telling, whole my life, my discipline. A car without a brake, what will happen? A car he has sitting, there is no brake, won't accident. Man without discipline. Without discipline, suffering means without discipline. How to eat, how to talk, how to look, what to do, what not to do. That discrimination. So if you want a peaceful life, think little bit. Yourself, purpose of your life, purpose of existence in this planet, 50, 70, 80. But you concentrate negative thing, what happened? Look, the Palma in Spain that happened, nature. There not one person, nature happened. Take it as it. 1962 we have big earthquake in Munger, India. Swamiji predicted that one earthquake is coming, 62. The earthquake, hurricane, typhoon, or so many things happen. Nature created. We call dance of Lord Shiva. Disturb the planet. There is purpose. Something negative happen in life that teach us, my dear friend, this is a life. That's why we practice yoga discipline. That's why we helping. What is the purpose of reading different literature, the book? When you read and listen, all information come to the head. Reading that got just information. And when you meditate and worship and pray, that love to the heart. The relation between you and God is from the heart, not the head. Head always headache. The more you know intellectually, more you problem. You don't have to go any school, college, you know how to love your mom. So you don't have to go to love to the God in the temple or synagogue or mandir or church. Your body is a temple. Where you stand, you live the God. Don't be beggar. Learn to give. We don't know how to use your energy properly. We don't know energy properly. That's why in disbalance come. The spiritual life, the life of different saints and sages, the teaching of different religion, all the religion we call dharma, religion. Doesn't matter what religion you preach or teach or practice. You may call your Christian, Muslim, Hindu, Buddhism, Jainism, Taoism. All the river emerge in the ocean. All the world religion, the love. Religion, the love. But we discriminate, I am Hindu, I am Muslim, I am Christian, I am a Jew, I am this. I know we are brother and sister. Son for everyone. So God for everyone. Man create the God. The man create the religion in their own way. You know, we go to temple and temple they have the statue. Rama, Krishna, Durga, all the statue. Original the statue made of mud or the stone. We put your love image, that's why we pray. In temple, we have different statue of Durga. Lakshmi, Narayan, Rama, Krishna. Original is the same stone. God is only one, and He lives every moment in your heart. The pure mind, the relaxed mind, the calm mind, the well-trained mind is full of energy. You change that. Let your life become a wonderful garden. Let your garden, when you go in the morning walk, you become happy, contentment. The birds singing, the wind flowing, nature, flowers, plant, you become happy. My dear friend, let your life become a wonderful garden. Use your own philosophy of joy, philosophy of happiness, contentment. I used to read a lot of book. Now I'm not reading. I'm listening within myself. Listen to your voice. The problem as individual person is not using energy properly, not direct energy properly, not using sensor properly. One thing I want to talk with you, very important. I got instruction within me. Food to eat. Food for the body. We cannot survive for food. What kind of food you should eat and what should eat? From the bird, they don't have a supermarket. The fish, they don't have supermarket. The animal, they have supermarket to buy. Cat, she has the cat, she has the cat. You know, one funny thing. I went to back in my yard. The two chickens, they are talking each other. And one chicken say, I'm becoming nervous. So another chicken say, why are you nervous? Maybe the next day they kill my daughter and the son. I'm happy. I'm unhappy. And maybe they want to kill me to eat me. The chicken and talk with another chicken. This is funny story. You know, everyone has a fear not to die. But we kill other person, survive ourselves. We are killing someone and eating to survive. The human being not created for eating food, not supposed to eat. You know what I'm talking about. Dog, cat, rat, lion, elephant, dog, elephant, all the animals, they got their food according their need. If you give the meat to the cow, she will not eat. Cow eat the nature food and she give the milk. In cow we call Kamdhenu, divine mother. The cow give milk, butter, cheese, everything. Whole world is receiving that thing. So, one who eat the food which not supposed to eat, and the suffering started. Man can survive eating. When you take vegetable, green, your life become greenly. But when you eat food not supposed to eat, non-veg, the same as become. Killing someone and eating that thing, doesn't matter what kind of food you eat. Non-veg is not for the human being. This is my personal opinion, don't misunderstand me. If the whole world become vegetarian, we don't need any problem with the hospital, you don't have to go. I'm telling. Problems start from mouth to stomach. Stomach, problems are mouth. What to eat? Eat balanced food. What kind of balanced food? We need protein, vitamin, mineral, carbohydrate and fat. Because this nutrition, 5 elements the body compose. We have water element, we have earth element, water, air, fire and ether, 5 elements. The mental body, this physical body with the 5 elements, so eat the proper food. But people eat the food. Vegetable is easy to digest. The digestion system of the cow The digestive system of the elephant. Elephant is strong. What he eat? The cow, what he eat? Man, he has not understand how he can maintain his health. Food for body, proper balanced food. Eating the food which not supposed to eat, they call sattvic food, tamasic food and rasic food. Tamasic food, aggressive, another person killing. They don't have voice. You kill different animal. Fish are very happy. Fish live in the water. Person come and take the fish and eat. The one Swami used to joke, he said, when you eat, what kind of animal, he becomes same animal, he become next life. He was joking, I was listening him. The Swami he was talking, he's a funny Swami. His name is Swami Deen Dayal Ji Maharaj. I like him, he's a wonderful person. He's 89. And he said, if you put a cow, you become cow. If you have a chicken, next life will be chicken. If you eat a fish, next life will be a fish. He was joking. I don't know reality. Eat a simple, nice food. Eat with vegetable and balanced food. Your life will be the food for the body, food for the mind, and food for the soul. What is the food for the mind? Proper thinking, proper reading, proper digesting. Read and eat properly. To food for the body, food for the soul. The food for the soul, prayer, worship, meditation, contemplation. Be again little child. Be a little child. The balanced food. Food for the body. Food for the mind. And food for soul, spirit, pure love. God, it means to be good. God, G-O-D, and the good, G-O-O-D. Be good, one O disappeared, you become a God. Rama, Krishna, they are the incarnation Lord Vishnu, Narayana. Human being, the God appeared as a human being because human understand the human language. Life of Rama, life of Krishna, life of Buddha, life of different great master and teacher. They teach you, my dear son, my dear daughter, life is a precious gift I give you. Enjoy, be happy. Suffering also can learn how to enjoy. Because suffering is not constantly. We cannot, night, not all the time. Night will come 12 hours and the day is waiting for you. Suffering create and go. Balanced life. So give food for the mind. What is the food for the ear? Ear, to listen wonderful thing. Eating, listening all negative thing, garbage thing, you put in garbage in the mind. Eating all the negative thing, boka, put the garbage in the stomach. Looking all the negative thing, put in the garbage inside. So that's why the balanced food, comida balanceada. Comida para el cuerpo, comida para la mente, comida para su alma. Food for the body, food for the mind, food for the soul. Your life will be wonderful. This life is a wonderful gift. There is no fear. No fear of the death. We are not going to say 100, 200. While living, live quality of wonderful life. But we think tomorrow and yesterday. Live right now. Vivir presente. Enjoy everything God has given you. Too much ambition, inspiration. I want. And you don't get unhappy. Man created that worries, preoccupation, anger, fear. Negative, putting the negative in the mind, create cancer in your brain. I'm telling, too much negative, too much thinking, worry, thinking. What will happen? things happen. You know, I used to love my mom, and she died. My father died, my brother died, sister died, but still I am here. Whatever the God has given you life, live, enjoy. Each moment, live present. Do exactly right thing to do. We think too much tomorrow, and what happened past. We don't live in the present. Present living. If you do the good, karma. Last time I said the three kind of karma. Law of karma, cause and effect. The first, kriyaman karma. The kriya means current karma. Sorry, I'm drinking agua, water, jal, pani. Do the current in this life, this moment, do the proper karma. I'm speaking with you. You are listening to me. Thank you for listening me. Some person there, they're not listening. Art of talking and listening. Talk wonderful thing that can help their conversation good for them. But we don't use the word properly. Our word should not be disturb peace of mind to one. If you want happiness come, give happiness. Mouth is a wonderful thing to talk, eat and sing. Sing wonderful. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare. This is Bhakti Yoga, the Kirtan. When you sing the person, just like mixing the sugar in the milk and become a sweet. Kirtan is a powerful tool to explain the divine cosmic love, the Bhakti, the love. To talk properly, eat properly. Mouth, God has given to mouth. Use properly. Mind is a wonderful component God has given. You cannot see the mind, but you say angry mind, mind with worry, preoccupation, anxiety, that man created. God has not given worries and preoccupation, not responsible. But surround the people, they created that kind of worries and preoccupation. Use the mind. Mind travels in three dimensions: waking, sleeping, dreaming. Conscious, unconscious, subconscious. Three stages, the mind. But there is one state called superconscious state of the mind. Chaitanya Avata, pure state. One who never, while sleeping, while dreaming, while dreaming and while wake up, always he is always watching. That is called superconscious state of mind. Chaitanya Avastha, the pure state of mind, and that Almighty Lord watching you. Be cheerful, fearless and happy, and you can change the quality of life. Life is a very precious gift of God. So, three kind of karma: current karma, sanchit, accumulated, sanchit, kriyaman, sanchit, and prarabdha. Prarabdha means what happened, your good karma, what you have done good in this life, you get past life, you get this life. One suddenly born in rich family, he become automatically, he don't have to work, he become rich. And one suddenly born poor family, that love karma, what you do in this life, you get another life. If you believe or not, this is not to a topic of reincarnation. What you believe, what you think, what you do. So learn art of eating properly, thinking properly, and living plenty to joyful life. So now I have to ask as a custom one question, starting from Yog Priya. Say one question, one wonderful question, tell me, I will answer. You have 30 seconds to ask me.
What would you recommend for the rest of the year in terms of, how to, you've been talking about the whole living in the now, But that's very hard for some people. What type of sadhana, specific sadhana, would you recommend for some people that are new to yoga, for instance?
Everything you do part of sadhana. You don't have to separate your sadhana from your work. Do your work, but think about the mantra. Repeat the mantra and living with spirit of positive spirit of divine. What you do, divine work through you. You don't say I am doing. When you say I am doing, you are kid ego. I am doing for my son, for my husband, for my daughter and son. I'm myself. I'm doing with the happy, peaceful mood. But don't do with oppression and egoist way. And every work can become a worship. Everything you're doing, just like a worshipping. And that's the part of I'm doing, I think. Everything I do as a part of worship. Okay, Lilavati, one question, quickly.
Hari Om Swamiji.
Hari Om.
What is the best advice that you can think of to say right now to everyone?
Live peaceful, joyful. Away difficulty, convert in pleasure and the pale. Let everything go. Hare can come and go. They come and go. Live spirit of joy, spirit of love, apart from difficulty. Economic difficulty, emotionally, relation, money. Live the spirit of what happened. Spirit of joy. Live the spirit of joy. Apart from difficult moment, learn to peaceful moment, peaceful, joyful. My suggestion is surrender the will of God. What is happening? What will happen, will happen. What was happen. Live spirit of love, spirit of joy. And smiling in your situation. Okay, Karuna Devi, tell something, one question.
I don't know if you can hear me. I don't have much signal. Can you hear me?
Yes, I am hearing. Yes, my ear is open.
What is the best meditation practice for physical pain?
Do the mantra yoga. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Om Gam. That is the obstacle, difficulty, and give the strength and courage. Think about Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is a powerful deity. He will help you to give you the knowledge and wisdom and take up difficulty. So Ganesh mantra is a more powerful mantra. Everything difficult. Anything you do, always remember the Ganesha primarily. Now Ram Rahim, one question. Huh?
Hari Om Swamiji.
Hari Om, huh?
Can you just go over the 3 types of karma?
First call, Kriyaman, current karma, Kriyaman, what you do every day, just now, is moment what I am doing. Kriyaman, and then Sanchit, accumulated, Sanchit karma, and Prarabdha, the past life. The 3. Today, what we have done is become, automatically they become, what you do, Kriyaman, current karma, in this life. And Sanchit, accumulated, what we do this life is accumulated. And what we receive from past life, that is prarabdha. What I am now, this is my prarabdha. I have not lived another life than what is in this life. I have a wonderful life. I am very happy. Blessed life. God has given me wonderful life for me. This is the life I want everybody should live a life. I knew the householder life. I don't have family, children, but I have all of you. I only receive love and give the love. I have business of love. I make a capsule of love and I send $10 each capsule of love and happiness. Smiling capsule. So my life is peaceful, joyful, happy. My suggestion, everyone, live spirit of joy. You are instrument of God's hand. If you think God working through me, you are not doing bad anything. Okay, Devananda, one question, quickly.
Hari Om Swamiji.
Hari Om,
Give us as a suggestion of a happy practice to to clear the mind so we can
Happy. Learn smiling, happy. Just laugh, laugh. Bad situation, laugh. Laugh with your daughter, laugh your wife, laugh your son. Laugh. Don't make them cry. And that is the best way. Laughing yoga. Go to the Ramesh Yogi. Okay.
thank you.
Yamani? Okay, I have guest come. Okay, quickly, 10 seconds.
So you said letting go.
Let it go.
is the key.
Yeah.
So that's something that I personally been struggling with for the past few months, right? To fully let go of certain things and emotions and feelings. What is the best practice? What is the best way to be able to let go fully?
Do regular every hour. Take 5 minutes for meditation. Give break of your mind 5 minutes every hour. Do 5 minute meditation. Every hour 5 minutes. That gives strength and courage and confidence. You know, every 5 minutes, every hour give time to you. That 5 minutes is your time, nothing else. Now I have another guest is coming and she want to talk something. Tell something. I have Jamuna Devi there, and I have another. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You know.
Hola, hola, Hariom, ¿cómo están?
Okay. I have two guests, invited guests.
Be happy, happy, happy. ¿Eh?
Happy, happy, happy.
Hariom.
Me tomo eso.
¿Quiere decir algo? Una cosa. Dile algo.
¿Cómo están todos? Felices
Gracias.
y agradecidos con su amigi. Palabras muy que llegan al corazón, ¿verdad?
Gracias.
Hariom, thank you. Thank you for being here.
I pray to the Lord Shiva now. Shiva and the Divine Mother. Om Durgaya Namaha. Om Mahasaraswate Namaha. Om Mahalakshmi Namaha. If you need the money, think about Mahalakshmi. If you want the strength, Durga. Saraswati, knowledge. And the mother who protects her, Divine Mother. Mother Earth give everything to what we survive. We walk on the Mother Earth, she never talk. The mother give the food, the mangoes, the rice, everything for the nature give. You know, so respect environment, respect nature, respect yourself. If you want to respect other people. If you want to love yourself, give love. Whatever you giving, you receive. That nature teaches. But we are very selfish person. We think about me. No, we are. Jaya Jaya Shiva Bhole Pandari. Jaya Jaya Shiva Bhole Pandari. He Asutosa He Tripurari. He Asutosa He Tripurari. Jaya Jaya Shiva Bhole Pandari. जटाजूट में गंगा विराजे गले शेष की माला साजे एक हाथ में सूल लिए हो दूजे डमरू धारी जय जय शिव भोले भंडारी. Let the Lord Shiva, Karuna Sagar, take your difficulty. Let the Divine Mother Durga give strength and courage. The Divine Mother Mahalakshmi give wealth and prosperity. The Divine Mother Saraswati give of knowledge and wisdom, proper wisdom. This is my prayer, my good wishes, my love, all of you. All you are wonderful person. Every person is good person. Their mental program is different. No person is bad. Love everyone, respect everyone, give everyone. Don't think negative thing. Can you see your back? You cannot see your back. Your defect, other person see. Love everyone, give everyone, and be happy, and the world can change. Negative thing, contemplating, listening and talk, you cannot. Think positive, be positive, act positive, and happy. I am the peace, I am the peace, I am the joy. My good wishes, my love, my blessing, my courage, my strength with you. So, enjoy. Today is the culmination of Dasara, conquer of negative demon Ravana to Rama. Vijayadashmi celebration means conquering of the negative thing in the life. Your ego, your anger, your frustration, you conquer. Be egoless, be humble, be simple, and be again a child. Every day you think you are a little child, you are a baby, and be pure. Om asato ma sadagamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityurma amritam gamaya sarvesham swastirvavatu सर्वेषां शांतिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु मंगलं भवतु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकवन्दनात् प्रत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृता ओम नाहं कर्ता हरिः कर्ता नाहं कर्ता गुरुदेव कर्ता यतेरं त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव विद्या दृढं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव सत्यं शरणं गच्छामि योगं शरणं गच्छामि संघं शरणं गच्छामि बुद्धं शरणं ओम शांति हरि ओम तत्सत् हरि ओम थैंक यू Gracias, thank you.